Hey guys, welcome back to Broken Bulb Garage in frozen northern Alberta. Sun sets about 3 in the afternoon. It's not up until about 11 in the morning. So inside you go, it's 30 below out there, and you work on your bikes in the living room. This is the continuation of the LED Honda CBR 125 project. We have put 7 LED lights into the dash. We have placed one LED light into the rear signal light. We have now added 4 signal lights. There's the one in the front. They're beautiful things, small, little tiny. They look gorgeous. I put the 4 on in the rear, 2 on in the rear. Wiring's a little bit tricky. You have to strip the bullet connectors off the LEDs and put on these proper orange and blue connectors from Honda. Make sure you get the right wire on the right side. It is imperative for LED lights. They only like one wire working in one place, the other in the other. You cannot swap them around like other lights. That's about it. Oh, the other thing that is quite important is an LED flashing unit. So I've got these China knockoff units. They come with a adjustable screw on the inside. That adjustable screw is what makes your LED work over your standard flasher unit. LED lights do not like standard flasher units. They will just sit there. Even if you can get them work, they will flash rapidly, fast, like a nuclear attack about to happen. Not like a signal light. $10, Amazon, China. Order in LED flashers. Pop that in, and that should be a dozen LED lights that we're putting onto this one. And I'll get back to you in a little bit once I get this bike buttoned up and get the LED lights put onto this one. Next project, get rid of that really ugly can on the back of the bike. All right, talk to you soon. Thanks.